Hello friends, today we will discuss about health education community pharmacy. previous lecture में हमने डेमोग्राफी एंड फैमिली प्लानिंग चैप्टर स्टार्ट किया था और उसमें हमने उसकी डेफिनेशन ठीक है रीड की थी। डेमोग्राफिक साइकिल, फर्स्ट स्टेज टू सेकंड स्टेज ला थर्ड स्टेज एंड फोर्थ स्टेज, फर्टिलिटी के फैक्टर अफेक्टिंग की थी एंड पॉपुलेशन प्रॉब्लम इन इंडिया, फैमिली प्लानिंग मेथड्स ऑफ फैमिली प्लानिंग। ठीक है, ਮੈਥਡਸ कैसे ਸੀਗੇ, ਟੈਂਪਰੇਰੀ ਮੈਥਡ, ਨੈਚੁਰਲ ਮੈਥਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਮੈਥਡਸ ਸੀਗੇ एंड स्पेसिंग मेथड्स, परमानेंट मेथड्स। ठीक है, होपफुली आप लोगों को अंडरस्टूड हो गया होगा। एंड हमने जो लास्ट हमारा जो रह गया था रिदम मेथड, जो इसमें टेम्परेरी मेथड्स में आता है रिदम मेथड। लेट्स वी स्टार्ट नाउ। Rhythm method is also known as safe period. This method is based on the fact that women normally produce one egg cell every month, which shed during the fertile, which is roughly 10 to 20th day after onset of menstrual period. If sexually intercourse is avoided during this unsafe period, or the days when there is possibility or meeting the unsafe day, pregnancy can be avoided, and meeting the female egg with male sperm and pregnancy can be avoided. Understood? And if the male sperm is not allowed to enter the vagina by using condom, the egg cell is matured about the middle of her monthly cycle, usually 12 to 16 days before the onset of the next period, and can live for almost 2 days. The male sperm can remain alive in the female body at least 3 to 5 days. On the basis of above assumption, the period other than fertile period considered as a safe period from conception point of view. And next we'll study now advantages. First advantages is now no device are required for its use, no prior medical examination is necessary, and third one is no chances of sexual displeasure. And let's see now disadvantages. First point is it reduces the number of days of sex. It is unsuitable for women for irregular period. Even in a safe period, women may become pregnant. This requires self-control and cooperation in couple. Chances of error and recording of menstrual history. This can be used only by educated and responsible couple. Understood? And next will be now point number D. Basal body temperature method, and also known as BBT, and it is also at the time of ovulation in female, her body temperature rises at least 0.4 degree centigrade. In this period, woman has to measure daily temperature of her body at ovulation time. Due to releases of progesterone, temperature of body increases. At this time, if there is intercourse, then pregnancy take place, and if intercourse is avoided, pregnancy is prevented. Understood? And advantages is first point is it is natural means of birth control. It does not require artificial means. And let's we start disadvantages. It is not a reliable method. It Second one is it cannot be used in a ill health. Understood. And E point is known as cervical mucus method and also called as Billing method. Billing invented this method in 1974. At the time ovulation, cervical mucus secretion increases due to releases of hormone estrogen and progesterone. The the vagina become wet. The last day of wet mucus is called as peak day. These are the fertile days, so couple must not have a intercourse during these days to prevent the pregnancy. They should not have intercourse for 3 more days after the wet days or peak days. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, ये हमारा जो बिलिंग मेथड है इसमें हमारी जो फीमेल्स होती हैं उनमें पीक डेज आता है, जैसे कि उसमें विजाइना बिल्कुल ही वेट हो जाता है, गीला हो जाता है। ठीक है, तो जो लास्ट डे में उसको हम बोलते हैं पीक डे। ठीक है, एंड एस्ट्रोजन एंड प्रोजेस्टेरोन जब उसके हार्मोन रिलीज होते हैं। And let's we start now. Main drawback of this method: it requires a training of women to identify changes in cervical mucus. A record is required to be maintained about changes in cervical mucus. Failure rate is high. And next one is prolonged lactation method, and also known as LAM, and this is full form of lactation aminohera method, and it is also known as ovulation cannot be started until the hormone prolactin level remain high in blood due to stimulation of nipple by baby. As a result, regular menstruation is delayed for 11 to 12 months during period of prolonged lactation. And next one is disadvantages. Disadvantages is also this method. It gives protection only for 6 to 10 months after delivery, and failure rate is very high. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ नोन एज स्पेसिंग मेथड। स्पेसिंग मेथड में क्या होता है भाई, कॉन्डोम होता है, ठीक है, नरोद भी बोल देते हैं जिसको हम। ठीक है, हम ड्यूरिंग सेक्स हम कॉन्डम भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं जो हमें सरकार के द्वारा प्रोवाइड कराए जाते हैं, या हम केमिस्ट्री शॉप से भी परचेज़ कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, एंड लेट्स स्टार्ट नाउ। फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज़ बैरियर कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव, and it is also known as mechanical method. First point is known as these are used either to physically block the union of sperm and ovum or chemically inactivate the sperm in vagina. Understood? And first point is also known as condom. Condom को हम निरोध भी बोल देते हैं हिंदी में। इट इज़ पुट ऑन द पेनस बिफोर द इंटरकोर्स, इसको हम पेनस के ऊपर पहनेंगे बिफोर अ सेक्स। इट इज़ एफिशिएंट मेथड टू प्रिवेंट कंसेप्शन to made a latest of silicone after sex. It is oldest and widely used method. Condom gives a reliable protection not only from pregnancy but also against the sexually transmitted diseases. And a new narod should be used for every intercourse and should not be reused. हम एक निरोध को एक बार ही यूज़ कर सकते हैं, दोबारा ही नहीं यूज़ कर सकते। ठीक है, हमने एक बार इंटरकोर्स किया और नेक्स्ट इंटरकोर्स के लिए हम दोबारा नया वाला यूज़ करेंगे। एंड एडवांटेज इज़ आल्सो नोन एज, फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज़ इट इज़ ईजिली अवेलेबल, ईजी टू यूज़, and it is supplied free of cost at all family welfare center. Third one is also available at very low cost from chemist shop. Fourth one is known as chances of pregnancy is negligible and it reliable method. And fifth point is there is no side effect. Sixth point is protect against sexually transmitted disease included एड्स। यह एड्स को भी प्रिवेंट करता है। हम किसी इन्फेक्टेड पर्सन के साथ इंटरकोर्स करते हैं तो उसको कोई ना कोई पर्सन को कोई डिज़ीज़ होगी या किसी की भी तरह की, तो हमको वो उससे भी ये प्रोटेक्ट करता है। ये इसका मेन एडवांटेजेस है हमारी कॉन्डम का। इट इज़ अ लाइट एंड कॉम्पैक्ट, ईजी टू स्टोर। लाइट इन वेट है, ठीक है, कॉम्पैक्टेबल है, एंड हम ये इसको ईजी ही मतलब यूज़ कर सकते हैं, ईजी स्टोर कर सकते हैं, रख सकते हैं। एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज़ डिसएडवांटेजेस, इट इंटरफेयर विद सेक्सुअल प्लेजर, ए न्यू कॉन्डम मस्ट बी यूज्ड एवरी टाइम। थर्ड वन इज़ it may slip to tear rarely during cutis. Next one, B point is diaphragm. Diaphragm, it is also called as vaginal diaphragm, is dome shaped device. आप इस स्ट्रक्चर में भी देख सकते हो, डायफ्राम की स्ट्रक्चर ऐसी होती है, ठीक है, जो हम विजाइनल के ऊपर डाल सकते हैं। दिस मेड अप ऑफ सॉफ्ट रबर एंड लेटेक्स फिटेड विद अ स्प्रिंग इन इट्स आर्म diaphragm. It is inserted into vagina before intercourse. It does not allow the sperm inside the vagina. Understood? And this advantage is also, first point is it does not interfere with sexual pleasure. It does not hurt or affect either woman or also woman. It is cheap. And disadvantages is also, first point is a doctor or nurse is required to determine proper size and for training for its use. It is difficult to educate illiterate women to how to use. It must be thoroughly washed, dried and stored for further use. Fourth point is it must be examined once in year. Understood? And next one is intrauterine device and also known as IUCDS. It means inside the uterus. It prevents the conception. Upper loop and copper T are commonly used in India. Lipis loop क्या है? It is a small double S-shaped device made of polyethylene. These devices are attached with the soft nylon thread so that loop can be removed easily and when desired. It contains small amount of barium so it could be seen on X-ray. It placed in woman womb by doctor with the help of insuration tube. And let's we see, this is a picture of a lipis loop and copper T. Understood? Next one is chemical method. Chemical method is the main object of using of chemical contraceptive is to stop the progress of sperm completely or kill them. केमिकल टैबलेट्स अवेलेबल हैं केमिस्ट पे शॉप पे हम उसको अगर अपना हाफ एन आवर पहले फीमेल को देते हैं तो जो उसकी प्रेगनेंसी के चांसेस कम हो जाते हैं। चांसेस क्या को कम्प्लीटली ही उसको रिमूव कर देता है, स्पर्म को किल कर देता है। ठीक है। नेक्स्ट वन इज़ नोन एज फोम tablets. And these tablets contain a spermicidal agent and are inserted deep in the vagina after moistening with water. Just 5 to 10 minutes before a intercourse. Understood? 5 to 10 minutes पहले लेना। And advantages हाफ एन आवर मैंने तब बोला था ये वो कम्प्लीटली अब्जॉर्ब हो जाती हैं टैबलेट्स हमारी बॉडी में। ठीक है, तो 5 और 10 मिनट्स भी चल जाएगा। एंड ईजी टू यूज़, डू नॉट इंटरफेयर विद सेक्शुअल प्लेजर, नो साइड इफेक्ट। एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज डिसएडवांटेजेस, इरिटेशन और बर्निंग सेंसेशन अकर इन विजाइना। It will have to inserted 5 to 10 minutes before intercourse. ठीक है, ये हमको मतलब विजाइना में 5 से 10 मिनट तक हमारी विजाइना में रखनी होती है, तो उससे इरिटेशन भी आती है वुमेन को। नेक्स्ट टॉपिक वन इज नोन एज कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव क्रीम्स एंड जेलीज। Second point is contraceptive cream and jellies. These are introduced into the vagina with the help of applicator. At body temperature, they melt and spread vagina and provide them film and barrier which destroy the sperm. Nowadays, aerosol home is wet. And next advantage is known as easy to use, no medical examination is necessary, they are more effective and used with निरोध and diaphragm. Understood? हमने निरोध एंड डायफ्राम देखा था जिसमें फीमेल को डायफ्राम के लिए यूज़ करते हैं और निरोध मेल करता है। ठीक है, तो उसके लिए ये सबसे बेटर ही ऑप्शन है कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव क्रीम्स एंड जेलीज। डिसएडवांटेजेस क्या है, लोकल इरिटेशन रहेगी, सोरनेस ईदर मैन और वुमेन, व्हेन यूज्ड अलोन दे मे नॉट बी वेरी इफेक्टिव। एंड soluble tablets क्या हैं, दे आर इंसर्टेड मेनली हाई अप इन vagina 5 minutes before a intercourse. And the next one is oral contraceptive, oral pill. These pills contain a small amount of estrogen and progesterone. They prevent the pregnancy by inhibiting the ovulation from the ovary. They are taken by the mouth. If oral pill is taken daily without fail, it gives 100% protection from pregnancy. This is two types of pills are available vendor and the brand name is known as Mala D and Mala N. ये हमारे फेमस ब्रांड हैं जो ओरल कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव के लिए हम देते हैं, इसकी ऐड भी आती है। ठीक है, ये माला डी माला N, ठीक है। एंड इट इज़ आल्सो कंटेन नोन एज नॉरइथोस्ट्रियन एंड इथानाइल एस्ट्रियोडल। माला डी कंटेन डी नॉरजेस्ट्रोल एंड इथानाइल एस्ट्रोडल. And next point is these pills are supplied free of cost by government under family welfare program. Each packet contains 28 pills. One pill is taken daily from 4th 5th day of menses. For 21 days, remaining 7 pills contain iron, which is helpful in checking of anemia. अंडरस्टूड. जो हमारी इसकी एक स्ट्रिप में 28 पिल्स होती हैं. हमें एक पिल लेनी होती है डेली फ्रॉम फोर्थ, तो जब फोर्थ या फिफ्थ डेज लगे हो मेंसेस के वहाँ पे, और 21 लेनी होती हैं. हर 7 पिल्स होती हैं जो हमें वो ब्लड को हमारा एचपी को चेक करने के लिए या इंक्रीज़ करने के लिए हमें काम देती हैं. आयरन की टैबलेट्स होती हैं. And next one is advantages. It takes regularly. It's 100% effective. It does not interfere with sexual pleasure. Whenever pregnancy is desired, the pills can be discontinued. And next one is disadvantages. Side effects like as dizziness, nausea, vomiting, headache, and weight in increasing is then known. It requires a strong motivation and self-discipline for taking pills. Understood? And this picture is showing two oral contraceptive and oral pills. Permanent method. Once the couple decide not to have any further child, sterilization give a permanent preparation from a pregnancy to enjoy the married life without any fear. In male, it's known as a vasectomy, and in female is tubectomy. And next one point is known as vasectomy. It is done in male. It is a simple operation and required no hospitalization. In this operation, vas deferens of male reproductive system is cut down, which carries sperm from testes. So it prevents flow of semen, so no pregnancy. हमारे टेस्टिस में एक ट्यूब जाती है जिसको हम ऑपरेशन के द्वारा रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम को कट डाउन कर देते हैं और वो स्पर्म को टेस्टिस आगे जाने नहीं देता. ठीक है, तो उसको बोलते हैं, जो बंदों में या मेल में जो जूस होती है उसको बोलते हैं वेस्कोटोमी. एडवांटेजेस क्या हैं? इट इज़ वेरी सिंपल, सेफ एंड इफेक्टिव मेथड. इट डज नॉट रिक्वायर अ हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन. It does not interfere with the sexual pleasure. Disadvantages also known as first point is it is an irreversible method in some cases but is not always successful. Second one is Nirod will have to be used during first 3 method after operation until semen test confirm the absence of pregnancy sperms. Now see tubectomy and laparoscopy. Second point is tubectomy. Tubectomy is also known as female. In this operation, fallopian tube are removed by given small cut and are tied to block passage of egg cell. Tubectomy is the major operation. Advantages also known as there are no side effect of complication. Disadvantages also known as it is an irreversible method but this is not successful. And next one point is laparoscopy. It is the latest and satisfied method of family planning used in female. Laparoscopy is done by the laparoscope by which fallopian tube is identified and clipped, thus passage of the egg cell is interrupted. And let's show you a figure in vasectomy and tubectomy. And this is a tubectomy in female. Cut down the fallopian tube. दिस इज़ द ट्यूबेक्टोमी। ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, इसको हम कट डाउन कर देंगे और उसका जो स्पेसिमन की आगे ग्रोथ नहीं होगी। एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज वेस्कोटोमी। वेस्कोटोमी इज कट डाउन द रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम। जो टेस्टिस से हमारा रिप्रोडक्टिव जो सीमन जाता है उसको ऑपरेट कर देते हैं डॉक्टर, तो उसको मतलब बिल्कुल ही आगे सीमन नहीं जाता। ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स। एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज नोन एज अबॉर्शन। Abortion, also known as MTP, and this is the full form of medical termination of pregnancy. MTP is defined as exclusion or removal of an embryo or fetus from the womb at the stage of pregnancy. MTP Act is 1971 should not be considered as a method of family planning. Repeated termination of pregnancy is harmful to the woman. MTP is applied, also known as the life woman is in danger due to pregnancy. Second point is known as to prevent the grave injury to physically or mentally health. Third one is if pregnancy is occurred due to rape. Fourth point is if abnormalities in the child. Fifth point is when pregnancy occurred due to failure of contraceptive method. MTP should not be done qualified doctor in a should be done by qualified doctor in a hospital. Medical termination of pregnancy is full form of MTP and also known as a abortion. Understood? And next topic is important topic of role of pharmacist in promoting of family planning. First point is also known as pharmacist का अहम रोल क्या है. It maintain the reliable supply of contraceptive with the choice of method and brands, learn about family planning and give advice to people accurately and actively. Third one is sponsor and attend the training of a refresher course on family planning and encourage the people to attend. Fourth one is known as set up the self-service display of condom, spermicidals and oral contraceptive. Fifth one is also known as display and distribute brochures about the family planning and display the family planning posters. Sixth one known as support the contraceptive social marketing program. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, ये था हमारा चैप्टर HCP का. ये यहाँ तक तो हमारा हो गया है. आप लोगों ने इसको ब्रीफली में रीड करना है और याद करना है. ठीक है, अगर आप लोगों को कुछ समझ नहीं आया देन आस्क टू मी and stay safe. Good day and bye.